Mistplay requires users to meet its age requirements before they can fully use the app, so an age verification problem can stop access until the account information is accepted. By the end, you'll know why Mistplay age verification issues happen, what steps to check, and what to do if verification still does not work. Age verification is connected to the information entered when creating or using your Mistplay account. If the details do not meet Mistplay's requirements, the app may prevent certain features from working. The first step is checking that your account information was entered correctly. Review the details linked to your Mistplay account and make sure there are no mistakes. If Mistplay asks for additional verification, follow the instructions shown inside the app. The verification process can vary depending on the account and device. A common issue is using an account that was created with incorrect information. If your details are wrong, updating the account information may be necessary. You should also make sure you are using the official Mistplay app and that it is updated to the latest version. Older app versions can sometimes cause account-related problems. If the age verification screen keeps appearing, close the Mistplay app completely and reopen it. This can refresh the account connection after changes are made. Clearing app issues can also help. On Android, you can check app storage settings and clear the cache if needed. On iPhone, reinstalling the app can refresh the installation, but you may need to sign in again afterward. Make sure you are entering information that matches your actual account details. Incorrect information can prevent the verification process from completing. If you have checked your details, updated the app, and the problem continues, contact Mistplay support through the app or official support channels. Account-specific verification issues may require help from Mistplay directly. Avoid creating multiple accounts to bypass verification problems. Using multiple accounts can create additional account issues. To summarize, Mistplay age verification problems usually come from account information errors, app issues, or verification requirements. Checking your details, updating Mistplay, and contacting support when needed are the main solutions. Your next step is to open Mistplay, review your account information, and complete any verification steps shown in the app. Subscribe for more Mistplay guides, reward app fixes, and troubleshooting tips.